Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is for plus 1 class students of mathematics. Today we will start new chapter, that is conic section. Conic section is divided into 4 parts: circle, ellipse, parabola and hyperbola. Today we will discuss about circle and different type of equations of circles. So let's begin. This is circle, ellipse, this is parabola and this is hyperbola. Now, what is a circle? A circle is the set of all points in the plane that are equidistant from a fixed point in the plane. One point is fixed, that is called center, C. And this is called radius of the circle. It is denoted by R. And this is diameter of the circle. Now, standard form: x square plus y square is equal to r square is standard form of a circle, where r is radius of a circle and center of the circle lies at origin 0 points. Standard form of a circle is also called simplest form of the circle. Next form is central form. When center and radius are given, then this form is used. Let CHK be the center, like 2, 3 is center, then H is equal to 2 and K is equal to 3. And R is radius of the circle. Then equation of that circle is given by this equation: x minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to r square. Now let us solve some examples related with standard and central form. Find the equation of the circle with center minus 3, 2 and radius 4. Now center is given minus 3, 2, that is h is equal to minus 3 and k is equal to 2 and radius is given 4. Now equation of the circle according to formula: x minus h, and h is equal to minus 3 minus minus plus, that is x plus 3 whole square, plus y minus k, that is equal to 2. Y minus 2 square is equal to radius square 4 square. Now by using formula a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square, that you already studied in previous classes, a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, and a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square and minus 2ab. Now by using this equation is obtained. Now by simplifying, this is a required equation of the circle. Next question: find the equation of the circle with center 0, 2 and radius 2. Now h is equal to 0 and k is equal to 2. Now by using equation of the center form of circle: x minus h square, h is equal to 0, plus y minus k square, k is given 2 and radius is given 2 square, or x square plus y square. Again by using formula a minus b whole square, y square minus 4y plus 4 is equals to 4. Now this 4 cancelled, then we get this equation. In this way you will solve these parts also for practice. Next is general form, very important form. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. This is general form of the equation. In general form, coefficient of x square and y square must is equal to 1. For general form, radius is equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c, and center is equal to minus g minus f. Note down these formulas in your notebook. Center is equal to minus g minus f, and radius is equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c. This formula is used when 1 mark question is asked, and when question is of 2 or 4 marks, then what is the rule to find center and radius of circle? Write the equation of the circle in such a way that coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square is equal to 1. That is, convert given equation in standard form. The coordinates of center are minus 1 by 2 coefficient of x minus 1 by 2 coefficient of y. That is minus g and minus f. This is coordinates of center. For example, we have an equation x square plus y square plus 2x plus 4y plus 5 is equals to 0. Now coordinates of center, minus 1 by 2 coefficient of x, that is minus 1 by 2 multiplied by 2, that is minus 1. Next, minus 1 by 2 coefficient of y, that is minus 1 by 2, and coefficient of y is 4. That is, center is minus 1 and minus 2. And coefficient of x square and y square must equal to 1. Next is radius. Radius is equals to g square plus f square minus c, 1 by 2 coefficient of x square plus minus 1 by 2 coefficient of y square minus c is constant term. Next is diameter form. In diameter form, coordinates of ends of diameter is given, that is a is equal to x1 y1 and coordinates of b is x2 y2. Then equation of circle is given by x minus x1 x minus x2 plus y minus y1 and y minus y2 is equal to 0. Now let us solve some examples to more clarify about general and diameter form. First example, find the center and radius of the circle x square plus y square plus 8x plus 10y minus 8 is equals to 0. Now write down given equation. Now write down terms of x and terms of y separately. Now complete squares of both brackets, x square plus 8x plus 16 plus 25. Add on both sides 16 and 25 to complete squares of these two brackets. Now this is equal to x plus 4 square plus y plus 5 square is equal to 49. By adding these three, 8 plus 16 plus 25 is equal to 49. Now easily we will find out center and radius. Radius is equal to 7 and center is equal to -4 -5. Next question. Find the center and radius of the circle x plus 5 square plus y minus 3 square is equal to 36. X minus of 5 square plus y minus 3 square is equal to 6 square, because 36 is written as 6 square. Now h is equal to -5 and k is equal to 3. That is, center of the circle is -5 3 and radius is equal to 6. Next question. Find the equation of the circle with center 2 2 and passing through the point 4 5. This is circle and center is given 2 2 and passing through the point 4 5. Now center of the circle is this. Also circle passes through this point. If circle passes through this point, then this point satisfies the equation of the circle. That is, put x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5 in equation of circle. X minus 2 square, x minus h square plus y minus k square, which is equal to r square. Now x is equal to 4 and put y is equal to 5. Now by solving this, r is equal to under root of 13. Now equation of circle is x minus 2 square plus y minus 2 square, because center is 2 2, is equal to radius square, that is equal to under root 13 square. Now by solving this, we get required equation of circle by using formula of a minus b whole square. Next question, very important. Find the equation of the circle which passes through the points 1 2 3 minus 4 and 5 minus 6. Find its center and radius. Now let the equation of the circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx. This is general form of the equation, plus c is equal to 0. Now if it passes through point 1 2, first point, then this point satisfies the equation. That is, put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2 in this equation. 1 square is equal to 1, 2 square is 4, then 2gx. 2g and x is equal to 1, 2g plus 4f, because 2f and y is equal to 2, 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4, plus c is equal to 0. Now by solving this equation, 2g plus 4f plus c is equal to -5. Similarly, 3 minus 4 point also satisfies the equation. Now put x is equal to 3 and y is equal to -4 and simplify. For 3 minus 4 and 5 minus 6, we get this equation. So by 3 points we get 3 equations. Now by using 3 equations, we will find out values of G, F and C, because if 3 unknowns, then we will require 3 equations. Now center is equal to minus g minus f. Now g is equal to minus 11, so minus g is equal to 11, and f is equal to minus 2, so center is 11, 2. Next is radius. Radius is equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c. Now by using values of g, f and c, we will calculate radius of the circle very easily. Next question, find the equation of the circle when the coordinates of the endpoints of diameter are 3, 4 and minus 3, minus 4. This is diameter form of the circle because endpoint of diameter are given x1, y1 and x2, y2. Now by using equation of diameter form, x minus x1, x minus x2 plus y minus y1 and y minus y2 is equal to 0. Now by solving and multiplying, we get required equation of the circle x square plus y square is equal to 25. Okay students, I hope you all understand all questions well and this video is helpful for you. Now you will try some more questions for practice, and in our next video we will discuss about second topic of conic sections, that is parabola. Thank you.